What's your name?
Danielle.
What are we going to do, Danielle?
Skydive for my birthday.
Well, happy birthday. How old are you going to be?
I'm going to be 39.
Cool. I know I'm not supposed to ask, right?
49.
Any reason we're doing this today?
Yeah, it's to mark a moment with a big birthday, and it's a tribute to my dad for Father's Day.
Oh, well. Anybody here with you today?
Yes, my beautiful stepdaughter Elizabeth.
Well, let's get her over in the video. Yeah, come on in there. And the husband. Let's get him in there too, right? Is that what you said?
It's a special bond thing we're doing
come on
together
over here.
too.
Get all y'all in this video, right? Get some pictures.
Yeah.
All right. There we go. All right. Anybody else who want to say hi or bye to? I'll take that.
Hi to your mom. Yeah. Oh, say hi to your mom and grandpa.
All right, guys. Well, that's our ride behind to see the big door.
Yeah.
Next time you see it, you're coming out the other side of it. You ready for that?
Yes.
All right, guys. Big thumbs up. Next stop's 14,000 feet.
Woo!
Except for you.
Yeah, that's right.
All right, guys. All right, Danielle, you ready to do this?
I am.
All right, let's go skydiving, girl.
Really?
Bye, baby. Love you. See you later.
Okay, it's not too late to back out.
Oh. Okay. Hopefully he'll think there's compliment.
All right. Okay, smile real big. What was your favorite part?
Doing it with you because you made the instructions easy because I could have been overwhelmed. Flip the camera on yourself.
Oh no, I know what I look like.
No, I want to remember who you were.
Well, thanks for jumping here at Skydive, Tennessee. You must have had a good skydive. You got skydiver hair now.
Yes.
All right, here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
We had a big skydiver.
Mike's the best.
All right, and for your dad, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Love you, Dad.